Hi everyone, welcome back to JA Info Urdu. Today we will talk about daily life activities in English. First, let's start with the morning routine. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I have a glass of water. I like to do a short exercise before breakfast. Breakfast is very important for energy. I usually eat eggs and toast in the morning. After breakfast, I take a shower and get ready for work. I leave my house at 8 a.m. and go to my office. At the office, I check my emails and plan my tasks. I also attend meetings and work on projects. At lunchtime, I like to eat healthy food like salad or chicken. After work, I sometimes go to the gym or take a short walk. In the evening, I have dinner with my family. Then I relax and watch some TV or read a book. Before sleeping, I plan my next day's schedule. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English conversations. That's my daily routine. How about you?
Hi everyone, I'm glad to join today. I want to share my daily routine in English. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. I like to do some yoga in the morning. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I often eat cereal or fruits in the morning. After breakfast, I take a shower and get ready for work or school. I leave home around 8:30 a.m. During the day, I study, work, or meet friends. I make sure to drink plenty of water. At lunchtime, I prefer light meals like sandwiches or salad. In the afternoon, I sometimes take a short nap or go for a walk. Evening time is for family and relaxation. I like to read books, watch TV, or listen to music. Dinner is usually at 8 p.m. Before sleeping, I plan my next day and set my goals. Remember to subscribe to JA Info Urdu for more helpful English lessons. That's my daily routine. I hope you enjoyed it.